Hi friends, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Rachel. Today I'll be sharing with you the stocks that I bought in February 2023. I had to sell some of our ETFs to buy these because I don't have money. But I sold some ETFs and then I bought some stocks. And I won't be going into detail of how I chose those stocks because I have a video that I posted a few weeks ago now. I'll link it in the cards above so you can check out my, thought process and what I consider before selecting stocks that we invest in. So in this video, I'll just be showing you the stocks and we'll just be talking about their dividend yield and that's it. Okay. Before we get started, I'd just like to say thank you to everyone that has supported my channel in one way or another by liking, commenting, and subscribing. I truly appreciate all of you. And on the screen here is everyone that left a comment on my last video. Thank you. Thank you so much. So yeah, let's get started. So in this Excel sheet here, we have all the stocks that we have combined in our two accounts. Well, basically in our four accounts. So we have two TFSAs, that's a tax-free savings account. I feel like that is like the Roth IRA in the US. And then we have two retirement savings accounts. That's like the 401k in the US. So that should give you some context. By a family of two, children coming soon. So yeah, let's get into it. So the first stock we have, we didn't buy or sell this one recently, is the AQN. We still have it. It's trying to recover. It took a really bad hit a couple of months ago, but it's trying to recover. Fingers crossed it recovers. We still have 58 shares of that. And did I mention that we are dividend investors? Yes, we are dividend investors. So all the stocks here, they pay dividend. So the first stock we bought recently is the FTS, and that's the Fortis Inc. It's a utilities company here in Canada. I don't know, they might be in other countries too, but they are present in Canada. And we bought 10 shares of that. Currently have a value of $552.20. And this particular company pays out a dividend of 4.20%. Next, we bought EMA. EMA is Emera Incorporated, another utilities company. We have 9 shares of that currently, and the value of that is $458.16. And they pay out a dividend of 5.13%. We already had BCE. BCE is Communication Services. That's Bell Canada. So we won't talk too much about that. We're just focusing on the ones that we actually just bought this month. So next is TELUS. I really like TELUS. I don't know why I hadn't bought this one a while ago because we use TELUS in my house. So why not? Right? We bought 14 shares of this at $379.82 in value. They currently pay out a dividend of 5.13%. And then next we have BNS. BNS is the Bank of Nova Scotia. We have 5 shares of that, and they are currently paying a dividend of 6.12%. After we bought most of these shares, they've really gone down, and I really wish we can buy more, but there's no money. So we just have to, do what we can. But the best time to buy a stock is when it is down. Just, see it like they're on sale. Like, wouldn't you buy something you really want if it was on sale? It's exactly like that. But we don't have money right now, so yeah. And then we'll move on from all of these. These are old ones. The next one we bought in February was RY. RY is Royal Bank of Canada. And that one we bought only 5 shares because it's a little bit expensive. It's trading at $133.11. So we only bought 5 of that. And they're paying a dividend of 3.90% per annum. Next is MFC. MFC is Manulife Financial Corporation. We bought 12 shares of that, and they're paying out a dividend of 5.52%, so not too shabby. And then next we have CNQ. CNQ is the Canadian National Resources Limited. We bought 5 shares of that, and they are paying out a dividend of 4.54%. And we have 3 more. Next is PBR. PBR is an energy company based in Brazil. The only reason, guys, the only reason why we have this one on the list is because they pay such a sweet dividend. Very risky dividend. So this is a very risky stock, but again, it's an energy company. Energy is doing so well right now. They're into oil and gas and all of that. So it's a risk that we're willing to take, but the dividend is sweet, guys. By the time I share maybe the dividend that we get maybe one of the months that they pay out, you see what I mean? But we're keeping this one for now because I really like dividend. We had it last year, then we sold it. So I just had to go back to it because I missed that dividend that they pay out. We have 20 shares of this one, and hopefully very soon they pay out the dividend. So next is SU. SU is Sunco Energy, and they pay out a dividend of 4.42% per annum. Next one, we have TRP. TRP is TC Energy Corporation, and they pay out a dividend of 6.80%. And I think that's it. Yes. So in February, we bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we bought stocks from 10 new companies. And like I mentioned earlier, if you want to know how we, came about choosing these companies, check the cards. There's a video there that I talk about how we choose the companies that we invest in. So that might be a good video for you to watch. And then also in February, we sold off some of our stocks, mostly our ETFs. So the first one we sold was VDY. We had 29 shares of VDY, but luckily for us, we were able to get the dividend for February before we sold it off. So that was a win for us. And then we sold VEE. We had 14 shares of that one, and we sold all of it. And lastly, we also sold VUN. We had 35 shares of that, and we sold all of it. So the money that we got from these 3 ETFs, we used to buy all the 10 company stocks that we now have. So that's it. And I'm very happy with the companies that we have. Yes, they are down right now, but that's no problem. We're long-term investors, so we're not bothered about that. Then one of my YouTube friends mentioned in one of my videos, she left a comment saying that she is still maybe confused about how to buy a stock with WealthSimple. I'll put the comment on the screen. So I just want to pop real quick to my WealthSimple to show you how we do that. So now in the WealthSimple app, or well, the website, once you log in, it welcomes you and it shows you the options that you can choose from. If you want to file your taxes, you'll be choosing this one. If you want WealthSimple to invest your money for you, where you just be paying, a certain amount, any amount you want into your account, and they would go ahead and use their robo advisor to trade for you. You go ahead and choose this one. It says managed investing and save. So set it and forget it, investing and high interest saving. This one is like a hands-off approach. You're just putting in money in there, and then they go ahead and trade however they feel is best based on some questions that they ask you. So if you want that option, you can go ahead and choose this one. But in our case, we put the money in ourselves and we trade ourselves. So we always go straight to this one. So I just click on this. And then once that page loads, of course, it tells you how much you have in total in all the accounts that you have with them. It tells you the options that you have. You can invest using a personal account, RRSP account, which is the retirement savings, and then the TFSA, which is the tax-free savings. Okay, right now we don't have anything in the personal account, so that's empty. We haven't even finished funding these two, so we have no business going here at all. So for today, for the purpose of this tutorial or this video, I'll just be going into our TFSA account because we got some dividends which I can use to show you how to buy some stocks. So I just click on that one. While we are here, we might as well just take a look. In the past 1 day, it's been down 1%. In the past 1 week, it's been down 4%. Wow, I really wish you had money to trade right now. In the past 1 month, it's been down 3%. Past 3 months, it's been up 3%. In the past 1 year, it's been down 5%. And then all time, it's up 22%. So not bad. So here it shows you all the stocks you currently have. If you want to buy anything in any of these, because I already have money here. Let's say in your own case, this says 0, so you don't have any money to trade. You just click on this add button here. Okay. I already have my account set up here. So it might look different on your end. It will tell you to add an account or, where you want to draw the money from. It will tell you to put the amount you want to deposit, and it's pretty easy. It gives you the amount that you can, deposit, and then you get it instantly. Mine says 4,750. So, but I'm not putting any money in here today because I don't have any money, like I said. So, but from here we have $30.27 that we can trade with, and this came from dividends, guys. So in your case, I don't know if you've ever bought anything before. It might just be empty all through. So in my own account here, I already have some stocks that I, bought previously, and I would still like to keep. So they're all here. But let's say in your case, for instance, you've never bought anything before. So here is where you come to type in the stocks that you're looking to buy. If you don't know the ticker symbol just means the symbol that it is identified with, like SQN, BCE, and all of that. You can just type in the company in full. So let's say I don't know what, let's say TELUS, for instance, I don't know what the ticker symbol for TELUS is. I can just type in TELUS, and it would show me the options available. This one says TELUS International CDA Inc. I don't know what that is, but this is the TELUS Corp that I want, so I would have clicked on that. But let's try something else. So let's say, for instance, I don't know what Royal Bank's ticker symbol is. So I just do Royal Bank, and it pops up right there. And then if I want to buy that, I choose that, and so on and so forth. So you can either put the symbol or the name, just like it says here. But I'm not buying anything new today. So I'll just be going to one that I already have. So let's see here. What I like to do is I like to buy the stocks that is down the most. So it's like that's the most sale value that I can get. But in this case here, I have some, I'm trying to balance my portfolio as well. So I feel like I have bought a lot of these CIBC. If you take a look at that, it tells you what the percentage is that you have in your portfolio. So it says percentage of my portfolio, 24%. That's really high. So I'm just going to hit the brakes on CIBC for now, even though it's really down. So when I go through, I'll just be looking for a company that is down. That's the first thing. And the percentage in my portfolio is not too high. I don't want anything that is above 10% right now. And because it's only $30 that I have, and I don't want to buy fractional shares, it also has to be something cheap. So that's what I'm looking at today. So I'll just go through. I feel like it's going to be DFN. DFN current is down 5%. It's trading at 7.70. So it's really cheap. So I would be able to buy a couple with this $30. So let's take a look. Yeah, so let's do that. Let's see how many of that we can get. I think we can only buy 3. Yes, so let's just buy 3. And the market is closed right now, opening shortly because it's almost the opening time, but I just had to film this video really quick. So yeah, we've bought the DFN. So we can go back to the portfolio to see. So that's it, guys. It's really very simple to buy. And it says now that I don't have this $24.27 available anymore because the stock market is still closed right now. It's going to open in about 10 minutes, I believe. So then it would fill my order for me. So it's really very simple to buy. All you need to do is to do your research, know the company you want to, buy their stocks, come to WealthSimple. If you don't already have a WealthSimple open, maybe I should leave a link in the description box. I'll try to get a link for you guys and put it in the description box. I don't know if I get anything for it, but if I do, thank you. And if I don't, that's fine too. So just use that link, sign up for the WealthSimple, fund your account with some money, maybe directly from your account, and then set up the company you want to invest in and buy. It's very simple, guys. So let me know if you do that and let me know the stocks that you buy. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. God bless. Bye.